everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna draw Itachi Uchiha, and a subscriber also asked me to draw him, and I'm starting with a 6B pencil. So let's start drawing with an M, and I'm drawing a hair first of all because they're covering everything. So if we draw them first, every other thing will become easy to draw. And I don't know guys, you're interested in this video or not, but I just want you to watch this video till the end because it's gonna help me a lot in my YouTube growth. And if you guys do that, I will be very grateful. And like the video too, and if you are new, subscribe to my channel too. And if you like my work, then to support me, you can share this video with the interested people too, like the one who interested in anime drawings. But I'm gonna tell you guys honestly that this sketch didn't went out well. So I was so much depressed because of that yesterday, and I wanted to draw it again and don't wanted to post that video today. But after all, I spent 4 hours on that sketch too, so I just can't do that. But I will definitely draw it again in the next video. So wait for it, I'm sure I'm gonna do better. So now I'm drawing the headband between the hairs, and you guys can see drawing the hair first is making the headband easy to draw. So now to draw the rest of features, I drew this central line, and now let's start drawing with the eyebrows, and then we will be drawing the eyes. And draw this line first to keep the eyes equal to each other. And now it's finally time to draw the eyes. Let's draw these lines starting from the eyebrow to the nose. And in the end, just draw 2 tiny nostrils. And now it's time to draw the lips or mouth, whatever. And with just little bit more distance, we draw the chin and then the jaws. And because it was not looking like the Itachi at all, I decided to draw this cloud on his coat. So then it will become recognizable. And now using the 4B pencil, I'm starting the shading. Just shade it in the cloud with the 3B pencil, and now I'm gonna switch back to the 4B pencil. Using our 4B graphite to color in the rest, let's take some in the bottle cap with a cutter. Using a blending stump to apply it all over the hair. Only some shading is left, so I decided to complete it with a blending stump too. So our sketch is finally done. Let's do your signature in the end, and let's go to the final look. Let's meet again in the next tutorial of Itachi. Bye! Watch the last video if you want to draw Itachi Uchiha.